We're just gonna walk Copacabana. Walk this boardwalk, show you guys what it's like down here. See if you guys are having fun. So far I've had this cheese thing, some camarones, two beers, coconut water. I bought some purse looking thing. This hat that I'm wearing. Coconut. Coco Verde is how they say it down here. It was it's about 5 Brazilian real. Fortunately, today is a overcast day. Yesterday was not, but today is. But the main purpose of this video here is to give you an idea of what it feels like to walk down on Copacabana. I don't know, I mean, at night it's a little bit different vibe down here. In the daytime it's so crowded. And people seem overall really friendly. It's a really good environment. I mean, you know, I did get my fair share of people saying, hey, you know, down there, watch your stuff. Don't bring too much stuff, you know. So I didn't bring my backpack, which I usually bring with me everywhere I go. My camera gear. It's about the only difference, but I do look over my back every once in a while, especially when I'm filming. But for real, the vibe is good. The people are friendly. Everyone's social. Probably the best city I've been to in South America for sure. In a way, it kind of reminds me of Thailand. Like Thailand's this cool too, but this has more of that carnival vibe that you don't necessarily get in Thailand, right? These are, you see these in Lisbon, Portugal. This stuff, these patterns. You see it in Porto and Lisbon. Very much a Portuguese thing. Lots of sports going on down here. I wish it was a little bit sunnier today. This guy's ride. It's pretty cool. Like a Honda 3-wheeler moped thing. What do you guys think of this Copacabana? You guys want to come down here and chill out? No telling how many music copyrights I'm going to get in this video. Gone through like 3 different songs. Oh, that's a live band, so that's even better. The street food's pretty decent. I mean, I had those Cameroons, like I said. Oh! That little cheese thing that I have is pretty good. We'll go down here to the beach, actually, because I know some of you guys want to go see what's up down there, right? Wow, the wind's kicking. I'm using a really small DJI Osmo camera instead of the GoPro today. It's a lot smaller, a lot less attractive, but also the gimbal on it is real finicky. I mean, it's not that champion GoPro Karma gimbal or the GoPro 7 quality. It's 1080, but it's still pretty good. Gets the job done. It's small. Anyways, so. Hola. Un video.
Yeah.
Ciao.
One caipirinha. One drink, very good.
Very good. Very good.
Drink.
Bueno.
Good. Good.
Good. Strong. Yeah, I believe it. So we're going to take you guys down here. So there's Sugarloaf over there. Look at these waves, really good for body surfing. Oh, it's cold. It's real cold. Real cold. That is freezing. That is for sure cold. I mean, it felt good though, in a weird way. Not as good as cold could feel. Anyways, let's head back up here in the area where the street vendors love to hit you up. Street vendors are hard to say no to around here. Especially when you make eye contact with them. It's like, once you've made eye contact, you're buying. They've got you in that hypnotic grip. So. Thank you. So if anything, hopefully you guys get an idea of what it's like to walk around Copacabana in Rio. So Rio, that's how you say it in Portuguese. It's a river, Rio De Janeiro. And I still am working on that. Pronunciation. This camera's all over the place, ain't it? I was told that the best beaches are I think the guy said Ipanema and Bahia. So I was surprised that the locals don't consider Copacabana one of the #1 beaches. So Ipanema, Bahia, Leblon, those are what people say, the locals say, are the best beaches. And this place called Ucra is the place that was recommended to me for Nightlife. And I never even heard about that until I got here. My driver, he took me down there yesterday and it looked really safe. It's called Ucra. U-R-K-A. That's the place to go. For Nightlife. It's pretty good. These Lime scooters are everywhere. If you guys like those, you just get the app. They also have these bikes you can rent. There's a rental bike. Good way to get around. Burn some calories. Like I said, at night it's a whole different vibe around here. It's a fun vibe, but I feel like I had to be a little bit more on my P's and Q's. Here's the first security force that I've seen so far. Those are the first security guys that I've seen. They have police setups, but you can see, I mean, they have surprisingly low amounts of police down here, which could mean that it's a lot safer than we thought, right? Hey, is that the sun coming out? Come on, sun. Make a guest appearance for today. I doubt it's sustainable sunlight. And it came and it went. Acai. One of the things that I'm not seeing a lot of that I saw in Uruguay and Argentina was yerba mate. I'm not seeing anyone with yerba mate over here. And the food is a little bit different too. Way wider variety. But all the places in South America have empanadas. Surprisingly, the chimichurri is not very common. Yesterday, this road was open to cars. Today, it's not. So that's kind of surprising. It's a big beach, man. Copacabana is a big beach. But yeah, they say Ipanema is the top spot to go in Bahia.